There's no phonies here, because the reality is that, you know, every day you're putting it on the line. The thing that amazes me is how some executives think the people on the shop floor don't understand what's going on. No bubbles?
No bubbles.
That means good welds, right?
Get it going now.
Nice job. Everybody understands the world is changing. How are we going to manage how we're going to participate in the evolution of the industrial economy in the United States? We have to invest all the time. You buy from what you know are quality people, and you make sure that you have good systems internally. Let's KISS. Let's keep it real simple. Having more technology where we can provide better information for our people is a huge benefit.
See which ones I'm talking about?
It's 8 right here.
Internally, we do a tremendous amount of conferencing. That's part of the information sharing, because the beauty of that is you can quiz the people on the call.
Revision 2, right?
That's it, revision 2 on B, 749.
All my life, I've been watching this organization grow and the organization try to do things better and try to do things in a way that makes us more efficient and also more cutting edge to the industry we're in. You know, what is the goal? The goal is to be here tomorrow.
We are entrepreneurs that are starting from scratch with nothing. Every penny we spend, we got to be really careful whether we get a return on investment. But at the same time, we are all looking at where is the best way to improve our business. Things change and move very quickly. So our buyers and our sales staff have to be able to understand what the market is doing. The value that we offer to our customers or our suppliers is not just about price or cost. It's all the things between that we do well. Collaboration in many ways is part of our culture. We need to be able to be accessible to each other all the time. We had a very reliable communication systems that our team can rely on day in and day out. Any of our team members could be in touch with others instantly. Our ability to do that effectively as a pretty nimble small company definitely helped us to grow the business for the last few years.
For me, it's a challenge. I mean, it's not just that we work with glass, it's that we're constantly being asked to produce something unique and interesting and different in glass. And that's sort of the market that we chose. There's always the unknowns, there's always the risk of, you know, messing something up somewhere down the road that gets you right back to the beginning. What glass does is it opens up space. It gives you confinement or containment, whatever you want to call it, by separating out stores and stuff. But the sense that it gives you is a sense of open space because you're seeing through it. I think our target is really about becoming more specialized. The applications and processes we're developing are unique, and it's ultimately the direction that we want to go. For me, the investment is really all about keeping it fresh, keeping it new, keeping it challenging. I look for the company that has the best reputation for quality, for service, for reliability. So all I know is when I turn that piece of equipment or computer on, I expect it to do what I expect it to do. Reliability is paramount in that because it's how we communicate, it's how we transfer our data from equipment to equipment. It's key. It's worth every penny.